Hey food lovers, have you ever bitten into a chili pepper and felt like your mouth was on fire? Today I'm going to show you how to handle the heat of chili peppers like a pro. First, let's dive into the science. Chili peppers get their heat from a chemical called capsaicin. This little molecule loves to bind to TRPV1 receptors in your mouth, which are actually pain receptors. That's why spicy food feels hot. So, next time you feel the burn, just remember it's all science. But why are chili peppers so spicy in the first place? Well, one theory is that capsaicin evolved as an antifungal agent to protect the pepper seeds from mold. Pretty cool, right? And humans, being the clever creatures we are, started using chili peppers as natural preservatives. Now, how do we measure the spiciness of these fiery fruits? Enter the Scoville scale. This bad boy ranges from 0 to over 2 million Scoville heat units. For reference, your average jalapeno sits around 2,500 to 8,000 units, while the infamous Carolina Reaper can hit over 2 million. Yikes! But here's the million-dollar question. How do you cool the burn? The answer is simpler than you might think. Dairy. Yep, full-fat milk is your best friend here. The fat in the milk binds with capsaicin, making it less available to interact with those pesky pain receptors. So next time you feel the heat, grab a glass of milk. Other options include beer, chocolate, sour cream, and even sugar water. Generally, liquids work better than solids, and cold temperatures can enhance the effect. So keep that ice cream handy. Want to build up your spice tolerance? The good news is you can. Regularly eating spicy food can increase your tolerance over time. This context effect can shift your perception of spiciness from painful to pleasurable. So keep at it and soon you'll be handling those habaneros like a champ. Alright, let's recap. Capsaicin is the culprit behind the heat and it binds to pain receptors in your mouth. The Scoville scale measures this heat and dairy products, especially full-fat milk, are your go-to for cooling it down. And don't forget you can build your tolerance with regular practice. So go ahead, spice things up. And next time someone challenges you to eat a ghost pepper, you'll be ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty tips. Catch you in the next one.